Ooh, hello. Another day, another adventure. What are we doing? We're gonna ride into rice fields, eat this food, loads of food, massive portions. And got a new friend, Jocelyn from Singapore. Yeah, got no real plan, just going to see monkey forest and
Rice fields.
yeah,
Factory.
chocolate factory. Let's see how it goes. Booyah! Oh no, dude.
Nice.
Didn't shoot you for this. Hello. How much is the ticket?
50,000.
15,000. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
30.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, we just parked and this guy, he's already looking for something to steal, yeah? Are you gonna steal, man? Yes, you are. Welcome to the monkey forest. Yeah, more monkeys coming in 9 months. Everyone wants a peanut. This is the Hanuman god, the monkey god.
The Rama to war.
So Hanuman god helps Rama in a war.
Like
The Rama is a manifest about the God. It's coming
Like
to the war for the fight with the devil. Yeah.
Okay, and what's the role of Hanuman?
The Hanuman we can like the soldier about the Rama.
Oh, so
soldier.
monkeys are soldiers of
Soldier for
Rama.
Rama for the fighting
Mm.
with the devil.
Okay, cool, awesome. Story
Yeah,
of
that's
Bali.
story, yeah.
Nope. Zen of the monkey. He's all about the beauty. This is Sander's first time on a cocoa plantation. He's finally gonna discover the beauty of this stuff.
Looks like mangosteen.
It's way better than mangosteen.
Where
Very
you come
bad.
from first?
I'm from Netherlands.
Netherlands. Oh.
So it's
Netherlands.
John Lennon of Netherlands. Who? Me and John Lennon are gonna get a tour, and Jocelyn, of course. We're gonna get a tour around the chocolate plantation.
Like twin, yeah.
Twin?
Okay.
Not twins for sure.
What's your name?
Mine. Taka fruit before?
No.
No, this is your first time, yeah. Hey. Oh, okay. Okay. There is and the third Trinitario. First Criollo has a oval shape like this, and then has a rock skin. And Forastero has a round shape like this and has a smooth skin. And Trinitario combination between Criollo and Forastero. It can be dominate to Criollo or it can be dominate to Forastero. So about the flowers can be cacao fruits.
And this is how
It's only
the cocoa
3%.
fruit starts.
Yeah.
And this is
Why?
how it grows.
Only 3%. Of
This is how they catch insects to keep the coffee beans healthy.
oh.
This is how the cocoa fruit looks like.
You can taste the cacao fruit like candy, yeah. The white like this, yeah. You can, oh, really?
Ready?
Okay. It's okay to eat. It's okay. And then there's
Wanna
a
try
bite. And there's bite. Inside of the white, there is a bean, yeah. We make a chocolate from the bean, yeah. So that the bean covered by the white. When you bite the bean, the taste is bitter. You can swallow, right? Like a candy.
Can you eat the bean
white
as well?
If you like it, it's okay. Bean to make a chocolate.
It actually tastes fine. It's quite nice. Yeah.
Bitter. Bitter, yeah. So we use a bean to make a chocolate.
Chocolate tasting.
Yeah. And the white we need to have so that
This is
easy
how the
for
beans
us
are dried up.
to do as a manual. We just only break the bean to know that the bean is drying well. Like
Yeah,
this one.
it's not
It is
breaking, it's
Easy
not
or
dry yet.
difficult. And 20 degrees Celsius. We put we roasting without oil.
That's spinning refinery.
Refining.
Yeah, refining machine. That's how the chocolate bar is made. Vegan mint. Time to eat.
Yeah, you don't eat milk, yeah?
How do you like it?
Okay. Really good.
Nice. Hello. This is how the chocolate is growing. The trees takes like 2 years for it to grow from a little sprout to a big tree like that. And then there's these little flowers. And like 90% of them die, and then they turn into these cocoa plants or fruits, whatever they are, pods. And then they become ripe and they crack them and you get this white stuff. They ferment it, they grind it, they press it, they do all kinds of weird stuff and it becomes delicious chocolate. This chocolate factory has really sick use. Look at this. We ordered some quesadillas and drinking smoothies with avocado and chocolate. Yeah, definitely visit this place. It's awesome around here.
Plans? I don't really have any. So
Sorry, can
You have a plan to drink this.
I have a plan.
Amazing
It's avocado, cacao, coconut milk smoothie.
Oh yeah. So we're at the chocolate factory and we've got chocolate quesadillas. Oh my god.
Chocolate and mozzarella.
It's chocolate and mozzarella. What a mix. Let's try it. Ooh. Oh, it's falling apart. Not too bad. Yeah, it's quite good. Try it. Yeah. Got more food. And those spring rolls with, is that peanut sauce?
Peanut sauce.
Oh yeah, sweet peanut sauce. What are you having, Jocelyn?
chicken salad.
We decided to stay. It was so calm here at the chocolate plantation. Super calm, nice views overlooking mountains and rice paddies. Really nice spot. Highly recommend it. Till next one, see you around.